Midjourney has long been a popular tool for an AI art generator, but there are now several alternatives available that offer unique features and capabilities. In this video, we'll explore 3 free AI art generators that can serve as substitutes for Midjourney. Leonardo AI is a generative AI platform that allows users to create art, design, and other creative content. It is a free and easy-to-use tool that can be used by anyone, regardless of their level of artistic skill. To access Leonardo AI, you can simply sign up by visiting the Leonardo.ai website and clicking on Create an Account. Leonardo AI offers a free tier that includes a daily quota of tokens. You get 150 tokens per day for free, and it refreshes every day. This free offering doesn't have an expiry date, so you can use it for as long as you like. You could upgrade that if that's not enough. The paid subscriptions come with extra benefits, an increased token allowance, faster image generation, and access to premium features. Let's go back to Leonardo here. Take a look at this left-hand navigation bar and I'll tell you what it does. This one is the tokens. As I said earlier, you get 150 tokens every day for free. The next thing is Home. It tells you all the different featured models. The featured models highlights various image generation models. You can select one and begin creating images with it yourself. For example, this one is Photoreal. This model is designed to generate hyper-realistic photos and lifelike portraits. The 3D animation style is a new model that captures great 3D film vibes, capable of complex scenes with rich colors. This fresh model specializes in generating vivid, cinematic, computer-generated imagery reminiscent of Pixar and DreamWorks movies. And below the featured models, you can see the Recent Creations section, which is a gallery of images that have been created by users of the platform in the past few days. Trending shows the creations that have received the most likes and comments in the past day. New shows the creations that have been created in the past day. And Top shows the all-time most liked creations. This is a great way to find the best of the best and to see what other people have been most impressed with. When you take a look at these images, you can kind of get an idea of what Leonardo could do. And what's cool about it is you can use this as a prompt for what you want to do, so pretty powerful. Next, AI image generation. So this is a kind of where you generate your images. You could just type in your prompt here and then use the different models that we talked about earlier. And you can do a Leonardo style too. And this is something I wanted to show you. FAQ, or frequently asked questions. Who owns the content generated using Leonardo AI? Here it says, as a user of the Leonardo AI platform, you own all the content you generate using the platform. Can I use the images generated by the platform for commercial purposes? Yes, you can use the images generated by the platform for commercial purposes. This applies to images created by free users too. That's awesome. Now you see why it's one of the best free AI art generator. Now let's get back to AI image generation. There's a couple of ways that we can generate our image. First, I can just come here and type in things that I want. Or I can go back here and find something that I want to do. I like this one. So I click on this image, and if we want to do something in this style, you can see that we can do copy prompt, image to image, or remix. I'm just going to do image to image, so we'll copy this image and the prompt together. Click on here. Then the image is down here. And it automatically puts the prompt in here so we don't have to type it. Now I can come in and change it. As you can see, this is a cartoon cute Rottweiler. Dachshund is my favorite, so I can change this from Rottweiler to Dachshund. We can generate up to 4 images here. I'm just going to do one so you can see it, but you could click 4 and generate 4 images. Then you can see the image dimension. You can choose the size of your image here. All right, I'm going to hit generate. It takes a few seconds to generate the image. It's done. It's a cute dachshund. Okay, this time, I'll just copy the prompt from an image that I like this 3D image. I'll click on copy prompt. Then I'll go back to AI image generation, paste the prompt here, and hit generate. Here's our image. That's an incredible 3D image. Ideogram AI is a generative AI tool that creates photorealistic images and artworks using AI with reliable typography within images. One of the unique features of Ideogram AI is its ability to generate images with text and incorporate them into really amazing logos as well. This is not easily possible on other tools like Midjourney or DALL-E, but this brand new AI image generator can do it in seconds for you. In most cases, the generated images will contain the exact text you typed without spelling errors. It's currently free to use, and you can sign up using your Google account. I'll put the link in the video description below. Once you are logged in, you're going to be greeted with this interface. The interface is nice, clean, and simple. These tabs are different ways to explore the images that have been created on the platform. Recent This tab shows the most recently created images on Ideogram. The images are sorted by the date they were created, with the most recently created images appearing first. Trending. This tab shows the images that are currently popular on the platform. The images are sorted by the number of views they have received, with the most popular images appearing first. Following. This tab shows the images that have been created by people you follow. You can follow other users by clicking on the follow button on their profile page. Top. This tab shows the highest rated images on Ideogram. The images are sorted by the average rating they have received, with the highest rated images appearing first. Let me go ahead and show you how to use it. Right up here is where we describe what we want. You can create text within the images and some really nice looking designs. You can put anything in here. This is my prompt. Mark Zuckerberg smiling, holding a sign, subscribe to this channel. And then if you click on See All, there are different features you can select. I'll choose portrait photography, cinematic, photo, poster, and typography. What we can also do is choose the aspect ratio here. You can see different sizes. For this example, I'm going to use the 16:10, and then click on Generate. It takes a few seconds to generate your images, and you're going to get 4 different types of images. As you can see, it can't always do the text that you actually put in. Sometimes there's an extra letter, and sometimes it just completely messes it up. But then it also does create some really nice images. So look at this one. Mark Zuckerberg holding a sign, subscribe to this channel. This is awesome. If we just go back to the homepage over here, and then scroll down, you can actually use other people's prompts as a reference. Just click on the image, and then you can use the prompt, or you can even remix other people's as well. Let's click on Remix. Then we could change some keywords. And click Generate. We're going to get a similar style to that main one. As you can see, it looks pretty good. Everything that you generate is saved under your profile. Adobe Firefly, a generative AI system within the Adobe Creative Cloud suite, is currently available for free use. It is still in beta testing, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way creatives work. First, let's take a look at what their interface looks like. We have text to image. You can generate images from a detailed text description. Next is generative fill, using a brush to remove objects or paint in new ones from a text description. And text effect. This is something that Midjourney cannot handle. We'll take a look at that as well. Okay, let's generate an image. Click on Generate. At the very bottom right here, you can actually enter your prompt. Here's my prompt. A cute little girl with long blonde hair and blue eyes was walking her golden retriever in the forest. Okay, hit Generate. It's generating 4 images here. We will go over some of the settings over here. We can change aspect ratio. Let's do portrait 3:4, and it will generate images. Here you can see that it's on art by default. I'm going to change it to photo. It's generating images again. That looks great. And then it gives you styles to choose, and you can change color, lighting, and composition. So that's basically how the interface works. Let me show the text effect. To get started down here, this is where you enter your prompt. Or you can select any sample effect here. I'll choose this one. Then enter your text and let it generate. Look at that. This is really cool. Midjourney is great, but Leonardo, Ideogram, and Adobe Firefly offer unique, free alternatives. Each has its own specialty, from hyper-realistic images to text-integrated designs. Give them a try and let me know your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.